Hello everybody, welcome back to Jane's Medieval Kitchen. This afternoon we're going to be cooking some eggs in a green sauce with cheese. So we're going to start. What I've got on the fire already, I've got the peas cooking. So they're dried split peas that have been cooked and then they've just gone really mashy. So we want that nice mashed up peas for a nice smooth sauce. Now to that we're going to add some herbs. So we're going to add some parsley and some sage. So I'm just going to chop these up together. So I've got the parsley there, about two to 3 tablespoons, and then about half a dozen leaves of sage there. Yep, I'm going to use that. So while I'm just chopping these up, Lex is going to crack me an egg. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to fry the eggs separately. They don't go in the sauce; they cook separately. So Lex is going to crack some eggs for me. I'm just going to chop the herbs up nice and finely so they can mix in with the sauce and we get all the nice flavour. Try not to break the yolk. Just dip it in. Dip it in, lovely. Okay, so just leave that there just for a moment because we're just going to fry the eggs in a minute. Let's put this. Put those into the separate bowl there. There we go. So we want the herbs nice and fine. So I'm just using my curved knife here to just chop these up nice and finely.
Can I try it?
It needs to be quite strong. You can have a minute. Now, while I'm doing this, I'd like Lexi to put into here. Can you get the spoon for the spice? Oh, okay. Wash your hands. Now, the other ingredients we're going to add to our sauce is some white wine with a little bit of ginger mixed in with it. So Lexi's just going to do that for me. So you've got these the little spoons in there, look. So we want some ginger. So we put some ginger in. I've got a couple of tablespoons of white wine in a little pot here. So I want Lexi to just pop some ginger in there.
All of the spoon?
It's about half of that spoon. Don't want it too strong. Don't want too strong a ginger flavour. That should be fine. So pop it into there. Okay, now just using one of those little spoons, if you just stir that into that wine, please, Lexi. Yep. Oh, gently. That's it. That's fine. Just need stirring in a little bit. We can add that to our mixture.
Are you going to just tip that into there?
Not into the eggs. That's going into the peas. Do you want to go and pour that into the pea mixture over the fire? Just be careful because the fire's hot. Yep. Just pour that all into the pea mixture. So these herbs are quite fine now. That's it. Just pour it straight in. That's it. Well done. Yeah, nice little fire there today. Okay, so we've got nice finely chopped herbs. So I'm just going to pop those in there. You can see they're nice and finely chopped.
What should I do now?
So put those in there. Okay. Now the other thing we're going to add to that is some of our cheese. So we're going to add half of the cheese into the pot with the peas. So this is just a cheddar. Now I've grated this, but they would have just crumbled the cheese. It would have been a hard cheese, and then I've just crumbled that into the mixture. I've just grated it to make it a little bit easier. So it's about half the cheese going in there. Stir that in. The rest of the cheese is going to go on top of the mixture. Now we have got a really green sauce there, so that's just going to simmer. One more thing we're going to add to that is a little bit of breadcrumbs. Now breadcrumbs are quite often used to thicken a sauce. Readily available stale breadcrumbs, it's a good way of using up your leftover bread. So I'm just going to put some of those in. Our sauce isn't too runny. We're just going to put a little bit of those, a few of those in. So it's about half a slice of bread going in there. I don't need to whisk this with us.
What about the eggs?
We're going to fry the eggs. So that's.
What am I going to do with the eggs?
I'm going to crack me another one in a minute. That's
Got
nice.
one ready. These are the eggs that we use. Eggs for chicken.
Okay, so let's just check that we don't need anything else in there. Oh, the only other thing is a pinch of saffron and a pinch of salt.
It's just a whole teaspoon of that.
No, just literally just a little bit of the saffron over the top. Saffron was such an expensive spice. I would use it very sparingly. Go back in the box. The spices will be kept under lock and key as well.
The spoon yellow.
The spoon, that's because the saffron makes it go yellow. And we're just going to put about half a teaspoon of salt on the top there as well, just to give that a nice flavour. Right, let's put those away from me, please, Lexi. I've got a pan here with nice hot oil. Just going to give those peas a stir. Stir that salt and that saffron through. Now, if you find that the sauce is a little bit thick, you can always add a little bit more wine to it. But that one's looking quite good there. Okay. So now we're just going to drop these eggs into our frying pan to cook.
There's some saffron on me.
Hey, back another. Get ready with another one.
Three. Here's my fourth one. Four, five, six. We've only got two more to go.
Yeah, that's all we need. Two more. Very good. That's it. Well done.
So the next one ready already. Ready already.
That's it. Lovely. Thank you. Just stick the last egg in there. We're just going to fry these eggs. Just so they're set, just so that the whites are setting, and then we'll put them on. We want that nice runny yolk still, but we want the outsides to be nicely, the whites to be nicely set. Just have a look at our sauce. Now the consistency of that, you can see it's very thick. It's a lovely thick sauce there. So that's going to go over the top of the eggs. It's just simmering away there nicely. I'm just going to quickly. I'm just going to taste the pea sauce just to see what it's like. Whether it needs a little bit more seasoning. It might need a little bit of pepper or needs a little bit more salt. A little bit more salt in there.
Do you not want to taste it? I do not want to taste it. That one's dirty.
It's okay. So we're just waiting for our eggs to finish cooking there. We'll turn that pan around a little bit. We're on a slight angle here, so they're cooking better one side rather than the other. Now, so just go through the ingredients with you again. So we've got 8 ounces of cooked green split peas, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 4 ounces of grated cheese, and I've used a cheddar, just a quite strong cheddar, 2 to 3 leaves of fresh sage. Now mine were quite small, so I've used about 5 or 6 leaves. A pinch of saffron, 1 slice of bread crust removed. As you can see, I've only used about half of it, so half a slice, and that's just made into crumbs. And about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger mixed with about a tablespoon of white wine. So as I say, you can add a little bit more white wine just to give it a little bit more richer flavour if you like. It's really tasty. So finish cooking, and then we put them onto the plate. So they're nearly there now. So I've fried 6 eggs. You can poach them if you prefer poached eggs. I probably wouldn't boil them. I'd probably just poach or fry them rather than boil. But now, if you like your eggs well done, you can always flip them over so the yolks are hard. You don't have to have the runny yolks. I'm just leaving mine runny because I like a bit of bread in them. And we're nearly there on the eggs. I'm just going to separate the eggs out now so I can get them out of the pan one at a time. Put onto our plate. Just give our pea sauce another stir. Doing really well. So yeah, plate, please, Lexi. These are eggs out there now.
A huge plate.
Got a big plate, so we've got a lot of eggs. So
That's broken. I am not trying eggs because I do not like them.
eggs are good for you.
Or mushy peas.
More mushy peas.
I don't like both of them. But I do like breadcrumbs and bread and cheese and honey. Which honey was in before today?
There we go. There we have our eggs all fried and then just popped on our plate there. You can see it's quite bright out here. And now we're just going to transfer our pea sauce to the top. Pan here. So we're just going to spoon our sauce between our eggs, all around the eggs. So you can still see the yolks. We've just got all that lovely pea sauce in between.
Are you ready to put some cheese on top?
Just put some around the edge there.
Do you want me to put some?
You can put some cheese on top in just a minute.
And then the rest that we have, can I eat? There's only more left.
Let's just put that there. Now we're just going to sprinkle the cheese over the top of the eggs and the peas. All over the top. That cheese will just melt a little bit into the eggs.
If there's any more left, I think I would eat it.
You would. You like the cheese.
Yeah. There's the last little bit.
There we go. So there you have it. Our eggs in pea sauce.
Which I do not
Thank you
like.
for watching today. If you join us on Saturday at 1:30, where we will be cooking. I can't remember. Sorry. Please join us on Saturday at 1:30, where we'll be bringing you another recipe from our medieval kitchen. Thank you for joining us today. Bye.
Bye.